Here's my monitor I've been working on. I did a bit more work on it today. I put in the precision pots for the variable frequency control of the line frequency, and neaten up the front a bit, and also mounted that new buffer circuit that's between the sawtooth digital analog converter and the deflection amplifier, which is here, and they're the transistors for those there. So that's sort of where I'm at the moment with it. You can see here, not very well because of the line rates and that I'm using at the moment. I don't know if I can change that or not. Oh, there's something coming up now. As I change the line rates, it goes up and down there. Let's have a look. It'll change from 12 Hertz to 6 Hertz, back to 12. That's for the framing. I can go up to 25 Hertz here, then up to 50. And then 100. It's on the highest, well, the second highest setting on the crystal clock, the 3.2 megahertz crystal clock. Then I can switch down here. That's up to, that turns it onto the variable line frequency oscillator. Goes a bit funny at times. I've got I've put in these pots to replace the trimmers here, because every time if I change it too much, I have to readjust up here to make the picture look a bit better. I don't know if you can see it up there when I change. There goes the sawtooth. Might be able to see something there now. And then go back up to the crystal clock, and then I can swap down, but again I've got to like adjust those things to get a full screen and such. So I can go, what else can I do? If I do that, then I can change the line rates again with the framing as well. It sort of gives a, hang on, let me see here, sort of gives a nice linearity to the lines with the comparator circuit, with the the buffer circuit, so it's a bit better. So that's where I'm up at the moment, Troy. There's my little Tasmanian Devil monitor for 3260.